Junior Science. I'm Professor Christy. Today we're going to read this great counting book, If You Take a Pencil, and it's by Fulvio, Testa. And then we're going to do an experiment where we're going to take a pencil and do something very special with it. Now let's have a look. Let's start this great book. If you take a pencil, you could draw 2 cats. And if they like each other, there will soon be 3. They will flirt with 4 birds in a golden cage. And 5 fingers can give them freedom. They will fly into a garden with 6 orange trees. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nearby is a fountain with 7 jets of fresh water. In the fountain are 8 red fish with blue tails. Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Blue like the sea, where there is a boat with 9 sails. 10 are the sailors. 11 are the small islands around the treasure island. On the island are 12 treasure chests. They are all empty except for one. You open it. There is a little treasure inside. A pencil. So now that you've found the pencil, you can go and draw your own adventure. And there's a whole heap of pencils here. So we'll close the book. And as you can see, I've got my own container of pencils here. So what we're going to do for our experiment is, first of all, we need a plastic Ziploc bag and some water. So we're going to pour some water into the bag, and you might need an adult to help you with this. Alright, now that will do. Put a tiny bit more in, it's a very big bag. There you go, that should be okay. Now I'm going to close the top. You can hear it clicking as it closes. Now I'm going to take a pencil. I think I'll take an orange pencil. Now what do you think will happen if I poke this bag with my pencil? Have a little think about it and let's see. I'm going to put that. Look at that. That's gone all the way through. Now the reason that's gone all the way through is because this bag is made from polymer. And there's lots of tiny little molecules that make up this bag. So when you put the pencil through, it hugs back around and no water can fall out. So let's just try one more. Ooh. Look at that. Now you can try as many as you like. And what do you think might happen when you take the pencils out? I'm not going to do that one here, but I'll give you a little hint. You might like to do that outside or over the sink. So that's our little experiment today. So we've read this great book, If You Take a Pencil, which you can get from Maribyrnong libraries, and we've done our experiment with a pencil. So all of the instructions will be listed in the notes below in the video. And until next time, I'll see you later.